Let's take a look at the Soundcore A20i earbuds. As you can see just here, more about them on there. So IPX5 waterproof, AI enhanced calls. Again, lovely packaging by Soundcore. Nice and easy, and a bit more about them on the back there, which we're going to go through right now in the review. Just going to take them open and have a look. So it does some other Soundcore reviews as well. These are more kind of budget earbuds in Soundcore range. So we open it up there. So straight away you've got the instruction booklet just there, no frills. Put that to the side. We've got the earbuds and the earbud case, which we'll go through in shortly. And we've also got the tips. So there's about 4 different types of tips there. And you've also got the USB-C charging cable just there as well. So put that all aside, guys, so we can look at what's most important, which are the earbuds. So there's a case there. Very handy. It comes with like a little wrist strap you can put over your wrist in there. Now, they say the earbuds actually come with customized sounds. So you've got 22 preset EQs in the Soundcore app, which you can use, which is pretty cool. Now, there are the A20i earbuds just there. So I'm going to take them out. Now, again, this is the bud design. We've reviewed quite a lot of bud design earbuds there. Now, here they are. Now, these feel very, very light. So very light earbuds. Now, these come with 9 hours charge in each earbud. In the case, they come with 28 hours as well. So you can fast charge them for 10 minutes, gives you 2 hours. Now, these, as I said, very, very lightweight. So it's good. Now, each of these has, they say it has AI enhanced clear calls, which means an AI algorithm and 2 built-in microphones ensure that your voice is really clear. And there's the microphones just in there, you can see. So you get left and the right there. Very interesting to see how that actually works when we use them. Now, these also come with Bluetooth 5.3 as well, which is pretty standard for earbuds these days. Let's go and look back at the case. So you can take this off if you want. I just put it on there because I think it looks pretty cool. And you've got the USB-C charging at the back there. Again, you've got the Soundcore label at the top. You can also use tap to tap these, so you can tap in the earbuds to control music, control songs. And there you go. It's also magnetic, so that won't come off. And there's the size compared to my hand. So it's actually quite small, which is very good. That's what you want. And now obviously come with different sizes as well. A lot of reviews I've seen here as well said it's very, very good for music as well, which we'll test out in our full review and show you guys. But they are budget earbuds by Soundcore. So it'll be very interested to see how these come up. But all in all, very, very good presentation from these